ये क्या जगह है दोस्तों, ये कौन सा दयार है। हदे निगाह तक जहां गुबार ही गुबार है। Which translates to, which is this place, dear friends, which is this country where the boundaries of the sight leads to dust and only dust. When a teary-eyed Umrao sings these lines and performs in front of a packed audience in Faizabad, driven by this intense feeling of nostalgia and a sense of alienation, you just can't help it but get drowned in those emotions. Those emotions manifest within yourself. You start feeling for that Umrao, you become that Umrao yourself. Such is the beauty of this 1981 Bollywood classic, Umrao Jan, written, directed, and produced by Muzaffar Ali, starring Rekha in the title role along with Farooq Sheikh, Naziruddin Shah, Raj Babbar, and the others. Of the golden, gloriful days of the 19th century Lucknow, comprising of old Havelis adorned by great domes standing tall against the evening sun, of the royal legacy of the Nawabs, of the horse-driven carriages that leads to quotas of tawaifs. Umrao Jan is a story of love, loss, betrayal, and above all, poetry, pure Urdu poetry. Hi folks, cinema lovers. Welcome to another video of All I Love is Cinema, where we discuss good cinema, great cinema. A young teenage girl, Amiran, is kidnapped and taken away by the cunning Daroga Dilawar as an act of revenge against her father. She is taken away and then she is sold to a brothel run by Khanum Jan. In the brothel, she is renamed as Umrao, where she learns dance and she grows up to be a beautiful courtesan and poet. Her poetry and her beauty draws Nawab Sultan towards her, and both of them fall in love. And later she learns that Nawab Sultan is going to get married to another woman. A heartbroken Umrao Jan finds solace in the hands of Faiz Ali, a bandit whom she thinks to be a Nawab. She runs away with Faiz Ali. However, her fate has other plans for her. Faiz Ali gets shot on the way and succumbs to death, leaving Umrao all alone again. Umrao Jan is a movie full of subtleties and minimalistic stuff, of subtle and to the point emotions, nothing over the top, but at the same time ensures to create great impact on the audience. The lighting is so minimalistic, nothing of grandeur is shown. And the scene orchestration is such that it feels like it's been taken from a painting. The placement of the characters, the objects, the color combinations, the costumes, all of it is so real and authentic and reminds us of the bygone era. At this very point, I need to make a mention of Rekha's performance. When the story reaches a point, the British attack Lucknow, following which Khanum Jan and Umrao Jan, along with other occupants of the brothel, have to vacate Lucknow. They have to leave Lucknow. And they travel. And they coincidentally reach Faizabad, which happens to be Umrao Jan's native, her hometown. She lands in her hometown and then she is shocked to find that nobody recognizes her. But she recognizes everyone. And from this point, she is not even a prostitute. She has become a renowned poet. She puts a public performance. And in this performance, she sings, "Ye kya jagah hai dosto, ye kaun sa dayar hai." She has turned a stranger in her own land. She gracefully lifts her eyes while singing. Her eyes welled up in tears, tears flowing down her eyes. That subtle expression of sadness with no much movement of the eyebrows. Now, this is the true identity of a legend. No big dialogues, no iconic monologues, just expressions. And that will make you cry. That will really make you cry. She gracefully turns, she wipes her tears, and she looks right and left to the audience. And then she looks straight. She looks straight, and behind the blinds, she finds her mother. She recognizes her mother. And that scene is heavy on the whole movie. Umrao Jan reunites with her mother. However, it's not all over yet. Tragedy awaits her. Her brother enters and he looks at her and he says that you are a prostitute and you don't have any place in this house. A heartbroken Umrao never expected this. She runs away from her home forever. She leaves her family and she goes back to that old kota, which is now in ruins, which is empty. She enters the kota and she enters her room. There is a mirror. She looks at the mirror and she wipes the mirror. Now, this wiping scene is of great symbolism. It shows that she has reclaimed her identity back. She has a new identity now. She is no more a prostitute. She is a poet. She is free from all the bondage. Umrao Jan is a movie that will be remembered for its great emotions, great art, great music, and of course, great acting performances. I sincerely thank the National Film Development Corporation of India for taking all the pain to bring this movie back to theaters in 4K format. This movie needs to be watched by both the old generation and especially the young generation as well to understand what true cinema is, to experience that pleasure of watching true cinema, good cinema, great cinema. That's all for today, folks. I'll take your leave until we meet in the next video with another classic. Thank you.